And still in Lagos, the effectiveness of engineering, technology and innovation as catalysts for wealth creation and transformational economic growth at both national and individual levels has once again been emphasized. These form part of the recommendations of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Ikeja branch. Galaxy's Kelly Egiga was there and tells us more.
Gathered in this hall are members and fellows of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Ikeja branch. The mood is calm and celebratory, although issues which affect the nation and its infrastructural development take center stage. They recount the highlights of 2020, but more importantly, advocate the effectiveness of engineering, technology and innovation as catalysts for wealth creation and transformational economic growth at both national and individual levels.
When you talk about development, you are talking about engineering. There can be no development without engineering. That's the truth. At any level whatsoever, for you to have development, you must have engineering. And you have engineers at the basis. So they apply the science of engineering and technology to give you growth, to give you what you want, to produce things and services that will make life easy for everybody.
The challenge is in the government recognizing that indeed they cannot talk of national development without the input and active involvement of engineering and the engineers. I will cast my mind back to something I heard from somewhere, that by the time China was going to reinvent itself, it actually started off with having upward of 18 engineers on the federal cabinet. That was when, the turnaround started. So indeed, we need the government, and it is for the government to also realize, as part of what we are out to do, we call it SPEED. And the full meaning of that acronym SPEED is Strategic Partnership Enabling Engineering Development.
The engineering professionals also react to the federal government's approach to the sector, and they say more needs to be done.
One of the areas wherein the government is erring right now is research and development, and we need to concentrate on research and development in order to be able to create the right tools for the environment, create machines that people can use generally within their environment. It's very embarrassing when you say you are importing toothpick, you are importing biro, when we can actually create the machines, fabricate them in Nigeria and use them, to create those things by ourselves within the country.
Engineering, technology have been playing significant role in all their activities, and that's what has actually led them to where they are today. We talked about first industrial revolution, second, third, and all those stuff. So all those countries that you see that we go to today have been able to reach where they are because engineering played its role.
So as the event winds to a close, some individuals are rewarded for their contribution and services as they're inaugurated as the 2020-2021 Executive Committee.
Of the Nigerian Society